Hello, fellow comic book readers and expensive paper collectors. Today I'm here with my unboxing for the ComicTom101 Mystery Mail Call. I've been getting this subscription for a while now, and I'm very happy with it. You get several comics every month with some exclusives that Comic Tom has in there. This month was a TMNT book, a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles book with an exclusive Peach Momoko cover. He got it rushed out here before Christmas, so this is basically a little Christmas gift. So let's go ahead and get started here and see what's inside the mystery black bag. Whoa! All right. Let's see here. Stack of comics. Always a good thing to find in a bag. Usually he also has some like exclusive art prints and stuff from some artists that he has do some work for them, special work. Also promotes these artists as well, which is good. All right, so, ooh, you got the other exclusive that was in there was the King in Black #1 exclusive cover here. Very nice. I'll probably put it up on the wall instead of the one that I have. Yeah, very nice. I like that a lot. Ooh, that's cute. I'll have to put that on the wall too. Got a little Grogu there, the little baby Yoda, and his little Christmas outfit, a little candy cane. So cute. And on the back here, it tells you what you got here. You got low print exclusives in here. You got Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles with #110 with the Peach Momoko, and it has the Last Ronin preview in there, which is very high commodity item if you have that TMNT 110. You get the King in Black #1 by Nic Klein. The cover there, it's only got a 3,000 print count on that. The TMNT had a 1,800 count on the trade dress, or you might get the 1,300 count virgin variant. And then you also had the possibility of getting a Rabbit World Ash Can exclusive from Scout Comics, and it's the first appearance. Only 50 of those were going out. This is the newsletter print, Christmas Baby Yoda, the Grogu, by Nate Johnson. And then you also get a art print of the White Ranger by Nate Johnson as well. It's only limited to 2,700 prints. Pretty good stuff there, as you can see. Pretty cool for the December mystery mail call. Ooh, and it looks like I've got a You Look Like Death #2 from Dark Horse Comics in there. That's pretty cool. I haven't read any of these from the Umbrella Academy. Really don't know too much about it, to be honest. I haven't watched any of the Netflix or anything or read any of the comics. Should be interesting. And, ooh, I've also got Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles #109. The, looks like R1 or RI cover. That's pretty cool looking. Right there. I'll go good with the TMNT 110 there. Pretty good. Pretty cool. We've got a old school Kree Skrull War starring the Avengers special edition #1 from 1983. That's pretty cool. Big thick book. Pretty cool. Like it. You can see there. Very nice. And here's the White Ranger print. It's pretty cool. Like that. I'll have to put that up with the pink one that I got a few months back. The Pink Ranger one I got a few months back. It's pretty cool. Alright, and then I got the trade dress for the TMNT 110 Peach Momoko variant. She has some real nice stuff. Now she's exclusively with Marvel, even though she still has some of her works out, you know, from other publishers still. But she's signed the exclusive deal with Marvel to do their covers, and says she likes doing some horror-based stuff, which I've seen some of that. It's pretty cool. I like her anime-inspired style. It's real nice. That'll definitely be going on the wall. But another great mystery mail call. I look forward to next month, which I think they said is the Empire, or not Empire, but the Eternals #1 with Cersei cover. I think it's a Parrillo or Parrillo or whatever. Yeah, I think Parrillo cover. But I like his artwork, and so I look forward to that one, even though I've already got Eternals #1 pre-ordered, and I got the Alex Ross cover. But either way, hey, it's cool. I'll put Cersei on the wall. Ain't no big deal. I'll put the Alex Ross on the way because it'll probably be worth something later on. But also, it's a great cover too. But yeah, look forward to next month, and hopefully before the new year, I'll get my my pre-ordered comics in, so I'll do my unboxing of those and show you what I got. All right, till next time.